To make a magazine cover, click Create Your Cover. In the first step, you're going to select a template. There are over 80 choices for all types of events and milestones. There's a blank template where you can create your own title. Let's choose an anniversary cover as an example. After choosing your template, you're going to upload a photo. If the photo doesn't quite fit, you can add a background color of your choice. There are also custom colors available. If it does fit well, simply drag it to the correct position and using the tools at the bottom, enlarge it or make it smaller. You can also upload a second inset image. This photo as well can be dragged to whatever spot you prefer on the magazine cover and again made smaller or bigger. If you don't want it, simply delete it. Third step is to change the headline text to be about the people in the photo. Click on a text box, change the text, and then you can also change the color. There are standard colors. There are different kinds of fonts that you can change it to. We also have shadow, as well as bold and italics. You can add a new headline, and then again change that headline to say anything that you want, and again change the font, the style, the size, etc., and drag it to wherever you want it on the magazine cover. You can also add a suggested headline if you can't think of what to say. There are headline ideas that you can add. Let's save our magazine cover. Simply enter a project name in the pop-up box and then click OK. Here you're going to either sign in or register with an email address and a password. Logging in or to your account and saving it, again click OK, will bring you to your My Covers area where you're going to see all of the magazine covers that you've created. You can edit, duplicate, and delete them here. A duplication is a really great tool to have in case you're making a lot of covers for a team, for example, where you don't want to have to start from scratch. In the upper right, you're going to see a little icon where you're going to be able to log in. Here's where you're going to order, and you can order prints or download. We've got all kinds of frames and accessories. Just add them to your cart. We hope you found this how-to video helpful. Now it's time to make your own magazine cover. Have fun!